I'm here to tell you about my Cutout Poetry workshop on Friday the 23rd of August, 1 till 3 p.m. There'll be a cup of tea thrown in, and it'd be lovely to see you, and we'll have fun because we'll cut up words and we'll write the most amazing poems or lyrics, however you want to use them. And do remember, Dadaist did it, David Bowie did it, so it's one of those famous techniques, and maybe it might even have been how Starman was written. Who knows which ones he wrote with them, but some of those lyrics were quite amazing, weren't they, in Ziggy Stardust? And of course, not everyone knows who Ziggy Stardust is. If you don't, Google Ziggy Stardust, David Bowie, and you'll find out. It's suitable for anyone over 16, but if you're under 18, you need to come with an adult. And you can pay in the gallery or you can buy your ticket online. Thank you.